Hello guys, my name is Steve. So today I'm gonna make my tutorial about solving this problem, tax tree problem. So first we have the question A. Is in 2011 there were approximately 5 billion pennies made. If 4 of these pennies were placed in a single stack, how many miles high would that stack be? So first we know that 1 penny is 1/16 inch thick. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm just gonna take 1/16 multiply by 5, and in this way I'm gonna write in the scientific notation, which is 5 times 10 to the power of 9. So this equal to 3.25 times 10^8 inch. So what I'm just doing here is this is the length of 1 penny. So times to 5 billion penny, which I have now is the measure of the total inch of 5 billion penny. But it says how many miles, not inch, so we have to convert this inch to miles. So I'm just gonna erase this. Alright, so for now I have equation that is 1 inch equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power of -5. So this is the convert from inch to miles. So we're gonna use this number times to this number. Alright, so I'm gonna write 3.2125 times 10 to the power of 8 bracket, and let's just erase this. Okay, times 1.6 10 to the negative of 5. So 3.125 multiplied by 1.6 is 5. Okay, and now we're gonna use the product rule, which is we take this exponent plus by -5. So 8 plus -5 is 3. So 10 to the power of 3. So this is the answer for the question A, which is 5,000 miles. Okay. Alright, so the question B is asked, it's like the same type question like question A, but it just have different number, which is 500 billion pennies. Alright, so just gonna erase all of this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do just like the question A, which is 1/16 times 5 multiplied by 10 to the power of 11, because it's 100 million. So this, which is 3.125 times 10 to the power of 10. Okay, so this is inch only, we not convert to miles. So now I'm gonna start to convert this inch to miles. So we're just gonna take 3.125 times 10 power 10 with 1.6 times 10 to negative 5. So as I say, this is the convert of the inch, 1 inch to 1 miles. Okay. Okay. Oops. Alright, so what we got here is 3.125 times 1.6. Just like the last time, is equal to 5. And yeah, we gonna use the product rule again, which is this 10 plus negative 5, which is 10 to the power of 5. So the answer would be 500,000 miles. Okay, 5 billion penny in one single stack is 500,000 miles. Now let's move to the question C. So it asks the distance, it's not ask the number of penny anymore. It already gives you the distance. You have to find the number of pennies. Okay, so it's a little bit kind of opposite, but it's not really hard. Okay, so I'm gonna take 1 over 16, which is the length of the penny, and then I'm gonna multiply to 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5. So what I'm trying to do here is just I turn this pennies inch into miles, so I can know 1 penny is how many miles. So the answer would be, alright, so times 1 is times 1 to each, it will be equal to itself, and then we divide by 16. So the easier way to do this is I'm gonna multiply the top first, and then I'm gonna divide later. So 1.6 times 10 to the negative 5 is 0.0000016. So we're just gonna divide that by 1.6. You can write in the scientific notation, it will be more easier to do. Okay. Oh, this one's supposed to be 16. Yep. So this will equal to 1.6 times 10 to the negative 6 miles. Okay. Alright, so it shows you the distance. So now what I'm just do is 1 penny, the length of 1 penny in miles. So I'm just gonna take the distance and divide by the penny, which is, I'm gonna erase this again. I'm gonna take the distance to, wait, it would be more easier. The distance is 2.39 times so 2.39 times 10 to the 5, yep, and divide by 1 times 10 to the negative 6. So we have 2.39 divided by 1 is 2.39, and in this case we're gonna use the quotient rule, which is 5 minus equal plus, so we plus, which is 11 penny. Yep. So this is the answer for the question C. Okay. Now I'm gonna move to the challenge one, the question D. So it was kind of similar, but it's just different measurement. So the first thing we need to do is, wait, let me erase all this. So I'm just gonna take 0.01 divide by 1. So it says this is centimeter, move to here in meter, 3 more 0, it would be kilometer now. So in scientific notation it would be, alright, so it would be 1 times 10 to the negative of 7 kilometer. Okay. So now I'm just gonna take the distance divide by the number of the piece of paper. So, oops, wait, let me, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna write in scientific notation, which is 3.84 times 10⁵. Okay. Alright, so 3.84 divided by 1 is 3.84. We're gonna use the quotient rule again, which is negative equal plus, so times 10, 12, right? So the final answer would be, oops, this 3.84 times 10 to the power of 12 paper. Alright, and thank you guys for watching my video.